of death, already in motion. The secretary bird circles, great feathered shield. Beneath it, a king. The cobra rises, its warning. In this arena, patience is not calm. It's The bird keeps its head high, eyes locked on the cobra's face, sway of the hood, the tightening of the coils, the minute twitch that betrays intent. Cobra reads back, tasting the air, tracking heat and movement, searching for the one mistake that turns up. The secretary bird tests the perimeter, stepping in and out like each footfall is light, until it isn't. One sudden pounce, and the mood changes instantly. Bird strikes, not with talons, not with a bite, but with long, rhythmic, hammering stamps land with brutal precision. But targeted blows meant to stun and disorient. Holds away, trying to keep its head protected, trying to keep its timing intact. Sways, weaving a hypnotic pattern, body flowing like a drawn bow. It only needs one clean line to living flesh, one strike. But the bird always moving. It never stays where the cobra expects it to be. Wings a shifting curtain. Feathers rattle, shadows flicker across the serpent's eyes. Fighting a cobra. It's fighting the cobra's aim. Peering through the feathered head, always the head. Because against venom, there is no room for good enough. Its beak is point instrument of decision. The cobra slips aside with swift, liquid precision, dodging, gliding just beyond the crushing reach. To kill a king, one must be flawless, aimed by the very venom you seek to conquer. The cobra begins to lose flared, but its control slipping with every second. It wants to launch, wants that one instant. But each time it gathers itself and surges forward, the secretary bird, steel legs dropping like hammers. A stamp crashes down near the snake to recoil mid-strike, its aim shattered before the fangs can find flesh. Itched in a slow, mesmerizing arc. The cobra surges closer than before. Its heavy coils lash out and wrap around the bird's legs, tightening like ropes. Now it's trying to anchor, to steal balance, to pull the hunter down into the water. The secretary bird fights the pull with pure control. One leg braced, the other working to balance. It keeps its head away from the strike zone. Neck taut, eyes burning with focus and panic. Suddenly, a violent reversal. Not the body, not the tail. The grip is immediate and decisive, a clamp that denies the snake its weapon. The cobra's body whipping ribbon of scales, trying to twist free, trying to rethread itself back into control. The ground like an anvil. It thrashes the serpent against the earth, again and again, to disorient and weaken resistance. A final shudder. The king has fallen. The secretary bird claimed the burden, lifting, wings spread wide, catching the air. One strong beat, then another leaves the ground, ascending with steady effort, carrying proof of victory into the open sky. Under an endless blue sky, the savannah stretches to the horizon. Two ancient rivals may circle in the dust. For the bird, a single stumble means certain. It flares its wings. A sudden, blinding. The jackal hesitates, then darts in again. Low and fast, testing for a snap of jaws. The bird falters, nearly collapsing into the parched earth. Presses closer. scenting the moment, ready to clamp down and finish it, plants its feet, gathers itself, and refuses to fold. Of power. The bird stamps the earth in a rapid, forceful beat, exploding a curtain of duckle at point-blank range. The impact echoes through the silence, but the bird remains, its wings trembling from the sheer cost of survival, as if daring the jackal to try again. Gather over the grasslands, signaling the rhythmic change of the seasons. The vast plain, shimmering distant horizon. Two secretary birds stand shouldered ways like twin guards. Known scientifically as Sagittarius serpentata kind, they form lifelong monogamous bonds, often remaining within the same territory for years. Walking is their primary mode of transport, an adaptation for life in the open veld. Legs allow them to survey the ground for the slightest twitch of life. They are the archers of insects, lizards, and small mammals. A sudden movement in the grass triggers an immediate response. When it is spotted, the bird uses its feet to pin and kill with precision. Like a hammer, fast, brutal, and strong enough to drop prey in a single strike. Venomous snakes like cobras and adders are high-risk, high-reward meals. Bulls cover their lower limbs, providing a natural armor against the strikes of venomous prey. By